morning. Right, so I was gonna finish the video when we finished on Thursday from the drift day, but basically my camera died and it was really dark and I couldn't really film it on my phone because it was just too dark. So long story short, Sam's car, the fuel pump that we changed on the first drift day at Birmingham Wheels, what was it? Oh, power steering, not fuel pump, sorry, I'm getting confused with my car. All the power steering that we changed from was it Motor Parts Direct or something like that? Yeah. Basically it went and it had no power steering, which wasn't ideal, so we couldn't drive it back home. So kindly enough, Andy let us sort of keep the car there until today, so today's Saturday now, and yeah, we've decided to go for another drift day if we can get it fixed. So Pancer's coming down as well with Amy, and yeah, I don't really know how this happened, but I'll insert a clip here. But Sam basically was like calling Andy last night and was like, do you have any spaces left? Like, can we go on a drift day? So we're in the 7 Series, chilling on the way down. Hopefully we can get it fixed in time, and then yeah, Sam's on a bit of a full send mode, so we'll see. And I hope it's not that bad. I don't really want to be towing you back. But yeah, so we have gone from leaving the car there to fixing the car to now actually doing another drift day. So there's gonna be a lot more footage of drifting. But yeah, so this is day 2, so it's nearly 2 days in a row. So it was Thursday, day off on the Friday, and then now we're back. So yeah, never done so many skids in my life.
He's here in a taxi.
We made it, we're back. We're on a mesh. Got the Beamer. Sam's on it. Get it done, boy.
Won't get much done without a jack.
No, so Pancer's got the jack at the moment, so we're waiting for him to turn up unless we can borrow one of someone, which maybe, but oh, and that's Andy's little drift taxi. How cute. So I'm just going to go ask some people to borrow a jack, and they said yes, so I'm just waiting for them to get their cars out of the lockup and get that sorted. Woo! You're shitting me up, you know. Thank you.
Well, I'm on a hill with wheels.
We're not the only one that's broken. Cool, right, this is off. We're off apart. Hello!
I'm going to... Huh? Oh, I'm going to get the part meant to be doing.
Nearly.
Yeah, hopefully. See you in a bit, yeah?
Bye! Cute, Angel's come. We have the part, but I managed to spill bloody power steering fluid everywhere. All on my clothes. It's gone all through my 3 pairs of leggings, or 2 pairs of leggings. Oh, not happy. Right, we're back. Parts achieved. We're on a winning streak.
Nah, not yet. We've got to fit in if it actually works yet.
Okay, don't touch any wood yet. I don't want no touch wood. But anyway,
we're in a 7 real wood. That's not real at all. It's fake.
It's sort of like fake.
It's definitely not real. I don't think it's real.
I don't think it is.
No, it's not real.
Beautiful.
Oh, yum yum yum. One day we'll have one of them.
Yeah, what we're moving the lot. know. So we've been borrowing all of these parts and stuff of our neighbours, so massive thank you to them. But yeah, the day started, so yeah, see how it goes. I always forget how like on Saturday the drives are like crazy good. The amount of people that fuck that shit.
I'm stuck on the fucking bottle. Yeah,
They're trying to convince me to go out on the track and I'm scared. The car is fixed. Just warming the car up. Oh, life's so good. We're just waiting on Pants. He's going to go get a Mackey's or something. Who knows? Stop, I was filming. The drift damage from before.
It's actually like a nice little graze. Come on. I don't know how.
You didn't tell me that these bits were sharp though, so I'm going to show you.
So the noise is still there. We're still having fun. But yeah.
Look at you in the back.
So I don't know, they're in the background here. They're looking for a steering rack for Sam's BM. It's now 11:30-ish. Yeah. And the day finishes at like 4:30, so kind of running out of time. But yeah, we're just in the middle of Birmingham now, just trying to source parts, because like brand new parts are pretty expensive, so it's like 250 to 300 to kind of for the steering rack, whereas we found this one on like, it was like Facebook or something for like 50 quid. Yeah, don't know where they're going, but we're having a squad outing. Oh, I can see them.
He's definitely
Zooming on my mouth. Looking like a model on that.
I just keep it here.
Some noddy hair.
Oh no, stop looking at me.
So we've gone to get this part. They went to get the part. We had to come back because the guy who wanted cash only didn't have a bank account or something. So we've got some, like, Sam got the money out from the post office. But then it was a bit scary. But yeah, and now he's in the, now he's in the bank. Bit dodge, but
They've gone in the house now.
oh god, they've gone in the house. They've gone in the house.
They've got in the house across the road though. Here we on the round back.
Thank you. Put your seatbelt on.
Cute.
Oh, yeah. We're in the baller whip. 7 Series gang.
Video of the... Oh, it's all blurry. Okay, there you go. We're off. So they've just... Well, they just finished fitting the steering rack. But yeah, I think it's like 12:30. So we're sort of like running out of a bit of time, but... I don't know. We'll see what happens. We may still have time. See, my stick was right. Do not trust no one. I am glad though that it's a bit warmer because yesterday it was freezing and raining, whereas today it's just a little bit cold. But yeah, the quality of like drifting today is really good. Like most people when they went out on the track at the beginning, a few of them were spinning out, but most of them were just going like straight out and just doing it, like going ham. So yeah, here we are. So while they're fixing the car in the background, I'm going to show you some of the drifting over here. So yeah, here you go. Sorry, I'm in the way. That. Continue.
I don't know if it's fixed it yet, but the power steering, the cooler had a blockage in it. But this thing's fucked, so I'm trying to unfuck it.
Oh.
So I can hit some walls.
Hit some walls, maybe not. Well,
It's going in.
A gentle tap, a gentle tappeth.
Well, now I can do it without.
Any luck?
I've got it out, so I can do it out. If you get me, and just push it straight back in.
Don't think it, keep turning.
No thinking.
Side, side.
Side to side.
Don't look in the bottom here.
Oh gee. R.I.P. Sad times. Oh, so after trying to fix it all day, it's not fixed. So we've just packed everything up and we're heading home. We've kind of run out of money to fix the car itself, but yeah, we'll be back. It's just a bit of a pain because obviously we've wasted like the whole day getting up early trying to fix it, and it's freezing as you can tell by the fact that you can see my breath as I'm speaking. But yeah, so we'll leave it here. Basically we just need to sort it out. Some people have suggested some options, like everyone here has been really helpful, lending us parts or lending us bits to like tools, jacks, everything, and like the learning shift team have been really helpful, including like Andy, but yeah, we'll leave it here for now. And yeah, this isn't the end because I nearly got the balls to go on the main track today. And I want to go, I want to do it, I'm going to do it. Even if it's awful and I just drive around it. So, hopefully we'll do one by the end of this year. Kind of sucks that it's happened, but that's drifting, I guess. Like, that's modifying your car, nothing's going to be perfect all the time. But yeah, cool. Make sure to like and subscribe. Oh, I can't see him. It makes me so upset seeing him sad. Like he put so much energy into it and nothing worked. Oh, anyway, right, make sure to like and subscribe. I'll see you all again soon. Make sure to follow us on the socials, including KSP Cartel, where I've got some new bits. Oh, bye guys. Aww.